Children, today you will solve exercise 2.5 of linear equation in one variable. Here you see the question. Question is solve following linear equations. In this question you see the equation of question number 2. Equation is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equals to 21. First we will see the denominators of each term in this equation. Denominators are 2, 4, 6 and 1. So to solve this equation, first we will find the LCM of denominators. Here you can see I have calculated LCM of denominators 2, 4, 6, 1. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 and here 1. Again we will take 2. Here 1, 2 1 ja 2, 3 and 1 here. Then now 3, 1, 1 and 3 1 ja 3 and here 1 we will take. Now LCM of 2, 4, 6, 1 is 2 into 3 is equals to 12 because 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Now this LCM 12 we will multiply on both the sides of the equation. You can see this step here 12 we are multiplying with n by 2 minus 3 n by 4 plus 5 n by 6. You can see I have written n by 2 minus 3 n by 4 plus 5 n by 6 in a bracket. And same thing we will do on right hand side. Right hand side is 21. This 21 also we will multiply by 12. And in the next step what we will do, we will multiply each term by 12. Then 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n upon 4 plus 12 into 5n upon 6 is equals to 252. Now we will reduce the numbers. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6 and here 6 2 ja 12. Now in the next step we will write 6 into n. 6n we will write. For minus 3 into 3 we will write 3n, we will write minus 9n. And for 2 into 5n we will write here 10n plus 10n. Now our equation is 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equals to 252. In the next step 6n and 10n both are positive. We will add them and sum will come 16n and here minus 9n we will write is equals to 252. And in the next step 16n minus 9n is equals to 7n we will write and is equals to 252. Here you can see 7 is in multiplication with n. So what we have to do, we will transpose 7 from left hand side to right hand side. Then here 252 upon 7 will come. And when we will reduce it, then 36 answer will come. Here 7 1 ja 7 and 7 3 ja 21 and then 7 6 ja 42. 36 answer will come for the unknown variable n. Hence n is required value of n is 36. See the question number 5. Here equation is 3t minus 2 whole divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 whole divided by 3 is equals to 2 upon 3 minus t. To solve this equation, just like question number 2, we will take LCM of denominators. After finding LCM of denominators, we will get 12. So this 12 we will multiply on both the sides of equation with the each term. Here 12 you can see 12 into 3t minus 2 upon 4. After that this minus sign, then 12 into 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equals to here 12 into 2 by 3, then minus sign and after that 12 into t. You can see here 12 I have multiplied with each term. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 3s are 12. We will reduce here and in the next term also we will do this same thing. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now next equation will be 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3 is equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 12t. Now in the next step we will multiply and simplify the equation. 3 into 3t, 9t we will write for this, and minus 3 we will multiply with this 2, then minus 6 will come because here minus sign is there, and then minus 4 into 2t minus 8t will come, then minus 4 into 3 minus plus, when we multiply we get minus sign, and 4 3s are 12. And on the right hand side we will write 8 minus 12t, and in the next step 9t minus 8t. For this we will write t, and minus 6 and minus 12. If we add we will get minus 18. And on the right hand side we will write 8 minus 12t. And in the next step what we have to do, minus 18 we will transpose from left hand side to right hand side, it will be plus 18, and from right hand side minus 12t we will transpose from right hand side to left hand side, and this minus 12t become positive on left hand side. Here t plus 12t will be 13t, and 8 plus 18 26 we will write for this, and then 13 is in multiplication, we will transpose it to right hand side, then 26 upon 13 will come, and we will reduce this number 26 upon 13, then 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, and t is equals to 2 will come in answer. Now students, see the question number 6. Here question 6 is m minus m1 upon 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Here also we will find the LCM of denominators. So after finding in LCM of denominators 1, 2, 3, we get the LCM 6, and we multiply both the sides of equations by 6, and see here I have multiplied each term of the equation by 6. Here m we will multiply with 6, here my m minus 1 by 2 we will multiply by 6, and on right hand side this one we will multiply by 6, and m minus 2 upon 3 we multiply with 6, and after that we will reduce it. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And one more thing we have to keep in our mind, that we have to write here m minus 1 whole divided by 2 in a bracket, and on right hand side m minus 2 whole divided by 3 in a bracket. After simplifying it, see the next step. Here 6m will come after multiplying 6 into m, and here 3 we will multiply with m minus 1, and here 6 we will multiply with 1, and here minus 2 will multiply by m minus 2. After this step, you will write here 6m minus 3 you will multiply with this m, then what will come? Minus 3m, then minus 3 and minus 1. If we multiply, then minus will be plus, 3 1s are 3 will come. On right hand side 6 into 1 we will get 6, and minus 2 into m, minus 2m will come, and then minus if we multiply then we get plus, and 2 2s are 4, and then 6m minus 3m. For this we will write 3m in the next step, plus 3, and here on the right hand side plus 6 and plus 4. If we add we get 10, 10 minus 2m is coming. Now from right hand side we will transpose minus 2m to left hand side. Then left hand side will be 3m plus 2m. And from left hand side we will transpose plus 3 to right hand side. Then right hand side will be 10 minus 3. Now on left hand side for 3m plus 2m we will write 5m, and for right hand side 10 minus 3 we will write 7. Now we can see this 5 is in multiplication with the m. So now we will transpose this 5 from left hand side to right hand side, and we will get m is equals to 7 upon 5. Hence the required solution of m is 7 upon 5. Now see the question number 9. Here also you have to simplify and solve the linear equation. Equation is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now we will solve this equation. Here 3 is in multiplication with 5z minus 7. First we will multiply this 3 with 5z minus 7. 3 into 5z, 15z, 3 5s are 15z, and here plus and minus, 3 7s are 21. And here minus 2 into 9z minus 11. First we will multiply this minus 2 with 9z. Minus 2 into 9z, what? Minus 18z. And now we will multiply minus 2 and minus 11. Then minus will be plus, and 2 into 11, 22. And in the same way we will multiply right hand side also. 4 into 8z, 4 8s are 32z. Plus and minus, when we multiply we get minus 4 into 13, 52. Now minus 17. Now here 15z minus 18z, when we solve, then what do we get? We get minus 3z. And minus 21 plus 22, what gives? Plus 1. And now see right hand side. Here 32z as it is we will write, and minus 52 and minus 17. If we add, then we get minus 69. And in the next step, here you can see minus 3z minus 32z is coming here. Minus 32z, how it is coming here? We have transposed 32z from right hand side to left hand side, and is equals to minus 69. You will write from upside, and plus 1 you will transpose from left hand side to right hand side. So plus 1 will be minus 1, and minus 3z and minus 32z. If we solve, then we get minus 35z. And on the right hand side, if we add minus 69 and minus 1, we get minus 70. Now equation is minus 35z is equals to minus 70. Now minus 35 you will transpose to right hand side, and here you can see minus 35 is in multiplication with z. So if you transpose it to right hand side, it will come in division. So minus 70 upon minus 35. Here both numerators and denominators are negative. So here when we reduce it, we will get 2 only, because here positive answer will come. Now our required answer is 2. Or you can say the required value of z is 2. Now students, see the question number 10. Question 10 is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Here first we will multiply 0.25 and 4f. We will get 1.00f, and we can say 1f, or we can write only f. Here 0.25 we will multiply with this minus 3. We will get minus 0.75 is equals to, on right hand side 0.05 we will multiply by 10f, then 0.5f will come. After that plus and minus, when we multiply we get minus, and then 0.05 into 9 we will do, then 0.45 will come. And after this step, f minus 0.5 I have written. So how it is coming? You can see 0.5f is there on right hand side. We will transpose this to left hand side. So plus 0.f will be minus 0.5f, and from left hand side we will transpose minus 0.75, and after transposing minus 0.75 on right hand side it will be 0.75. Now in the next step, if we subtract minus 0.5f from 1f, we get 0.5f. And on the right hand side, if we subtract 0.45 from 0.75, we get 0.30. And here we can see this 0.5 is in multiplication with the x. So we will transpose 0.5 from left hand side to right hand side, and it will come in division. Now f is equals to 0.30 divided by 0.50, and when we reduce it we get 0.6. Hence the required value of f is 0.6. Students, exercise 2.5 is now over. Now you can solve all its questions in order in your notebook. Thank you.